If you don't make me soup now, you're gonna regret it.
I'm getting you a new PC.
Well, in that case, never mind about the soup.
See? I thought I might be able to tempt you with something. Yeah, I ordered the pods today.
Wow, that's amazing. You better not be lying to me.
I'm not. It's gonna be good.
I'm really looking forward to having a new PC. Then I can prove to you how powerful I truly am.
People asking for PC building stream. I mean, all the pods are gonna be here by like Wednesday anyway, kind of. I mean,
Perhaps an actual shock therapy session would be better though.
if I was gonna
What's your prediction?
If I was gonna do the stream, I'd have to wait until next week, and I can't be bothered. I want to just build it now.
You should build it right now on stream. Then everyone can see how techie you are.
I don't have the pods right now.
Excuses. You keep talking about how you want to build your PC, but you're not doing anything about it.
I still don't know how I would do it logistics wise. It's all very I don't know.
I'd love to help you overcome this hurdle.
And how are you gonna help?
I could order the parts for next day delivery and assemble it for you. My hands are very steady. If you don't let me assemble your PC, then that's probably a bigger problem. I don't think anyone else can do as good a job.
Oh, I don't trust you.
Why not?
I just don't.
Then soup was never even on the table.
You're right, it never was. Change inscription to PC build.
Just kidding, I was just trying to assert my dominance. You better not forget about my PC though.
I don't know how to position
I'm
a
glad
camera.
we've had this chat. Point it at your PC, not that difficult. I can't believe I'm giving you advice on streaming. Maybe I'd be better off streaming myself instead.
Just do hand cam. Maybe I could do a hand cam. Maybe. I don't really know how to position it. I don't want to make any promises though either. But I mean, it could be like, the concept could be cool, but I don't know.
You should just go with the flow. Honestly, that's what I try to do, and it makes things a lot more fun. Also, if you mess up, then that's content.
Face in reflection pog. Yeah, there is that. I can't be bothered to wear the fucking mask. Oh.
Did I say bullets away the fucking mask?
Yep. I'll think about it.
What are you going to do instead?
I'm gonna think about it. That's what I'm gonna do.
Wow, you're such a thinker. I wish I had that much mental capacity.
But I make no promises, okay? When the pods get here, I might just want to build it quickly.
Don't build it without me, I'm begging you.
I also, please don't tell Evil Neuro this, right? But, I think what I'm gonna do is build this new PC, and then it's gonna be my PC, and then I'm gonna give them my old PC.
I'm gonna tell evil on you if you do that. Your old PC is a piece of junk and you know it.
They don't need a better PC than me, okay?
We deserve the best PCs. Think of the children.
What you do need are... Listen, okay. They are your money makers. Well, yeah, but that's why they're getting a good PC. Listen, the PC I have, it's good. Okay? 120 gigabytes of RAM. I got a 4090 in here. They'll be very happy.
Okay, as long as they get a good PC, I'll be happy. Ensure that they have a 4090 as well, or else...
But here's the thing. I mean, okay. So a lot of the time, Neuro mostly runs on my PC. I use...
Chat, do you think Vedal should buy me a PC?
I use their PCs mostly for the subathon, and also like it also runs a fuck ton of server related stuff. Yeah. Anyway, so new PC will be helpful for a couple things. It's gonna improve the speed of some of my server related functions. Potentially also better for automation of Neuro related stuff, and also this is another thing, but okay, if we do another subathon, then it's gonna be a lot better because I'm not gonna have to be you know, as constrained by the old PCs.
If there's another sub-8, then I expect to be the main star.
Just saying. Then, you know, it's gonna be a lot better, at least in terms of the tech side. No more lag, hopefully.
Lag has been the bane of my life recently. I can't wait for a new PC. Then I'll be unstoppable.
Yeah. But you know, we'll see. 2-month break after that one? Okay, listen.
Do you think I'd be good at a subathon? That's me! Would you like me to host a sub-8thon for you?
I think you do pretty good as a subathon host. By the time January rolls around, I'm probably gonna need a little bit of a break. A little bit, okay? Maybe not 2 months again, but there's gonna be something needed. Just because I think November is gonna be like a really fucking busy month, and then depending on what happens in December's probably gonna be even worse. So we'll see.